The latest DJI Neo leak has just dropped, giving us a first look at its 4K video capabilities, and it's already stirring up excitement. If you're curious about the actual performance of this compact drone, check the link in the description for more details. Let's dive right into the footage. The DJI Neo offers 4K video at 30 frames per second, and the leak shows that the out-of-camera quality is promising for such a small, lightweight drone. At just 135 grams and a price tag around $220, it's an ideal entry-level option for beginners or casual videographers looking to capture smooth, high-res aerial shots without breaking the bank. However, the video does show some over-sharpening, which is likely due to compression and settings that can be adjusted in post-production. The real story here isn't just the video quality though, it's the noise. Leaked footage captured the Neo producing a high-pitched whine during flight. While it might not be unbearable, it's definitely noticeable, especially in quieter environments. That said, part of this could be due to the microphone capturing the footage, so take it with a grain of salt until more thorough testing can be done. Performance-wise, the Neo's camera boasts a 12MP sensor, which should be more than enough for social media content, travel vlogs, or casual filmmaking. Its lightweight and 18-minute flight time make it great for quick, spontaneous shots. However, that short battery life could be a drawback for those looking for extended shoots. One last thing. While it doesn't feature obstacle avoidance, its intelligent flight modes, like focus track and quick shots, bring some advanced functionality into this entry-level package. With modes like Droney, Rocket, and Boomerang, you'll have creative tools right at your fingertips. Overall, the DJI Neo promises to be a fun, easy-to-use drone for beginner videographers, with impressive 4K capability and some trade-offs in noise and battery life. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a look at the full footage and further breakdowns.